Hey guys, Technomentary here with a video for you guys to show you guys today on how to create a free Apple ID couple ways. So I'm going to be showing you guys three methods how you can create an Apple ID. This video was requested by a lot of subscribers that are new to iPhones, and to use anything in the Apple devices, you need an Apple ID to do anything from, using that to sign into the App Store, to download applications, or to even use FaceTime or iMessage, even Apple Music. All of this services need you to sign into your Apple account. And to do that, it's pretty straightforward. There's a couple ways to do it, like I mentioned. So before we go ahead and show you guys the three methods today that I'm going to be showing you guys, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news, reviews, and giveaways. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. So let's go ahead with the step one method that I have for you guys. So to do that, you're going to go into settings here. Once you're in your settings on your iPhone or any iDevice, you're going to want to go to sign in to your iPhone here or your iPad or whatever you use, and then you can simply click don't have an Apple ID, and then once you do that, you should get a pop-up that says create Apple ID, and then you're going to hit that. And once you hit that, it's going to start asking you for your name, your date of birth, and all that information, and you can kind of go through the steps and then hit next. And then once you have done that, it'll ask you some kind of payment option, but you can also select none. And then once you do that, you'll have an Apple ID good to go. Another way to do it on your Apple phone is simply go into iTunes and App Store, and once you're there, you also notice there's an option there where it says create new Apple ID. You want to click that and give it a second or two, and then it'll give us to the prompt to create an Apple ID. Similar thing where you enter an email and then a password, and then you verify that and then hit next, and it will ask you for other information. Of course, because I already have one, I'm not going to go ahead and do that, and you guys can go ahead and do that, and you'll have an Apple ID good to go. The other methods I'm going to be showing you guys are going to be on the computer here. It's going to be using iTunes and even a website as well. Alright guys, so here we have, as you can see, iTunes opened up here. So if you guys don't have iTunes, it's pretty simple to get. Just Google download iTunes and then download iTunes onto your MacBook or your PC. And once you have that downloaded, open up the app. Once you open up the app, you'll get to this kind of screen. And to create an Apple account from there, simply go to account, and then you're going to want to click the sign in option. And then in that sign in option, it's going to ask you to sign in if you have one. But also there's this create new Apple ID. You're going to want to click that. And once you click that, you'll make sure to have internet, of course, because you'll need internet to do this. It's going to ask you to go ahead and create one by simply providing an email address and then putting in a password. And then you're going to click to agree to the terms and condition and hit next. So that's the way to do it on your iTunes. Download it and then go to accounts and then hit sign in and then click on create new Apple ID. Again, simple and free to do. And lastly, if those two methods don't work, you can also use this method by simply going into appleid.apple.com. So once you go there, browse to that page, you'll come to this page where it says, if you go down a little bit further, it will give you this notification where it says create your Apple ID. You're going to click that, and then once you click that, again, similar kind of prompt where it's going to ask you, if it loads up for me again, it's going to ask you for your name and your country, date of birth, and again, email address, and then a password, and then you're going to enter all of that and a phone number if you have that, and that will work as well. So hopefully those three methods will help you create an Apple account if you guys are looking to create an Apple ID for the very first time. If this video was helpful, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button and then hit that subscribe button for future tips and tricks on your iOS devices and other smart gadgets. Thanks for watching, guys.